Hello friends, if you want to create a new YouTube channel in 2026 and set it up correctly from the beginning, then definitely watch this video till the end. Open the YouTube app and click on your profile picture. Then select Switch Account and click on Add Account or Create Account.
Click on Account. Select for my personal use, fill in your correct name, date of birth, and gender. Then create a new Gmail ID and a strong password to set up your Google account. Return to YouTube with this new account. Click on your profile and select Create a Channel. Now, give your channel a good and easy to remember name. Set your unique handle and click on Create Channel. After the channel is created, first upload a good logo and banner. This will make your channel look professional and create a good impression. Open the Chrome browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Log in with your new channel. Go to Settings at the bottom, then click on Channel. Here, choose your country.
Welcome back to the channel where we decode success. It takes consistency, hard work, and the right mindset.
Next, go to Advanced Settings and select the correct audience. If your content is not for kids, choose No, it's not made for kids. Feature eligibility and first verify your mobile number. After that, also verify advanced features. This will give you many additional YouTube features. But remember, just doing the settings won't make videos go viral. Good videos, the right title, attractive thumbnails, SEO
Like this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.